My name is Andrew Prusmack, and this is my Physics for Dummies project, and my subject is Newton's third law. The definition of Newton's third law is it states that for every action in nature there is an equal and opposite reaction. So what this basically means is that when you push something, it pushes back. An example of this is when you jump, your legs apply a force to the ground, and the ground applies an equal and opposite reaction force that propels you into the air. So basically, you're pushing the ground and it's pushing you back. Some things that can apply this in real life are when a cannon launches a cannonball, the cannon is pushed back while the cannon is pushed forward. However, the cannon weighs more than the cannonball, so it has less effect on it. When you walk, you are pushing the ground in the other direction while the ground is pushing you forward. When birds fly, they push the air down while the air pushes the bird up. So this is the exact definition of what Newton's third law is. Some fun facts about this is that force always is found in pairs. Forces are always found in pairs. If the forces are equal in the opposite direction, the object will not move. Which means that if they both apply the same strength, neither will move. The forces cancel each other out so that the acceleration is zero. And if one force acting in a direction is greater than the other force, then the opposite force, opposing the opposite direction object will move. So something like football, for example, offensive lineman, defensive lineman. When a defensive lineman pushes the offensive lineman, that's a great example of this one. Thanks for listening.